Welcome back, everybody. We're taking a live look out over the Myrtle Beach boardwalk right now. Still some pretty dense cloud coverage. You can see those flags waving pretty substantially out in the distance. Also looks very soggy out there. We're still seeing a bit of some rain moving through the region, but some of the heavy rain, that is done and over with. We're starting to see some quieter conditions for the second half of your afternoon, but some more showers are going to be moving through on the back end of Elsa later on today. Temperatures right now, pretty much everybody is in the 70s, but it's the heat and humidity. A lot of moisture just sitting overhead, tropical moisture, so you can feel that extra humidity just sitting over the region. That's what's going to help to prolong those chances for showers later on today. Checking out that Viper 13 real-time radar, we had some tornado warnings up to the north of our area, but for the bulk of our region, things are starting to quiet down. We're still seeing a couple of showers work their way kind of away from North Myrtle Beach, heading out of Longs out towards Tabor City, a couple of showers down towards Conway, but most of the area is starting to dry out. Further out in the PD, still some moderate rain out towards Chirac and Laurinburg. We're seeing the middle or the center of that rotation for Elsa kind of moving towards Chirac right now, kind of moving through Hartsville as well. So you're going to be seeing some changes in that wind direction and even some gusty conditions out towards that area. Everybody is going to stay on the breezy side for today. Temperatures later this afternoon back up into the 80s. 82 is going to be a popular number for the beaches back out towards Florence and Marion. Everybody is going to be very similar throughout the day today. Normally we see those different temperatures from beaches out towards the PD, but for today, because of Elsa moving through, it's going to put everybody on the same playing field, and we're going to be seeing similar conditions just across the board. Severe outlook for today has been trimmed just slightly. We're still seeing that slight to marginal risk for some severe thunderstorms later on today. As far as the slight is concerned, it's mostly up towards Little River, including North Myrtle Beach. Then we're seeing that marginal risk from Lumberton back down through Conway and Myrtle Beach, and then just a chance for some general thunderstorms further out. For your tornado risk, we were seeing that 2 to 5% chance. It was a bit further out into the PD earlier today. That has been trimmed because that front line, that risk for some of the tornadoes earlier today, that continues to move out of our area. The tornado watch has been trimmed out of our area as well. Still a risk up to the north, but for us, we're seeing that risk for some tornadoes gradually start to decrease as we see that first line kind of move further away from our area. Still seeing that tropical storm warning through the rest of today because we're still going to see some pretty kind of strong rip current potential and even some pretty big wave heights for as that system moves away from our area. FUTURECAST for today, still on the cloudy side, more chances for some showers as we see on the back end of Elsa, but as we look forward to tomorrow morning, a completely different story. We start off the day with some more sunshine, more chances for some scattered storms, and then as we look into the weekend, we're dealing with a more typical weather pattern. Elsa right now still holding on at 40 miles per hour, moving northeast at 18 miles per hour. Like I said, the center of rotation kind of moving through Chirac right now, kind of heading up towards Hartsville as well. So you're going to be seeing some pretty strong wind gusts. She's going to continue to track further off to the north and to the east by tomorrow morning, up towards Delaware and Maryland, moving further up towards Boston by about Friday afternoon. She's going to pick up a lot of steam and move relatively quickly once she kind of clears out of our region. 7-day forecast, we're going to continue to see more clouds and rain on the way for today. More scattered chances for some showers for your Friday, Saturday, and into your Sunday. Very warm stretch on the way. We're going to be back up into the upper 80s for the weekend along the beaches, low 90s for everybody else, in the mid 90s by next week.